Hello everyone, this is Jankit Bhatt here and welcome to this lecture of Animate CC. This lecture we will be learning how to animate the walk cycle. How to animate the walk cycle, how to make your character run, walk, jump and all. First thing you need to illustrate, you need to just model your character. After once you complete your modeling, then your animation part starts. I have one image here through which I'll show you the example how to animate the walk cycle. To import that, we'll go to file, we'll go to import, import to stage. And then I'll go to drive, into the lecture folders. I have one walk cycle here. Okay, the walk cycle dimension is too big, so I'll just try to cover up with that. Control minus, zoom out, hit Q, control 2, and I'll take it here. You will have your walk cycle here. You will not be we will not be animating this in the same file. We'll make a new file for the same. We'll go for this, and standard dimension I'll take it 550 by 400. So I'll take 550 by 400 pixels. Okay, then I'll click on create. Okay, after this I will simply go to, I want to create the symbol. See, there are two type of thing. Once you go for insert symbol, which is F8, but I'm going for new symbol, which is control F8. Remember, no F8, you have to go to control F8. You'll go control F8. I'll just click outside and hit control F8. In create new symbol, I'll give a name of the symbol as a walk cycle underscore MC, and make sure it's movie clip selected. Rest all is okay. Advance and all those things is okay right now. Now we'll be animating this on the keys of 2. First we'll take lasso tool, we'll take polygon lasso tool. I'll select the first character, copy that, come to the next file, paste, and then hit F6 to make it a little slower, and then F7. F7 is the space for the next character. Come here and then you click on the next one. I'm so sorry, I'll just pause for 1 second. Okay, I'm extremely sorry for the disturbance. Just got a call from the head office. Okay, I will select the next option, copy, will come here for the next, paste, and then hit F6 again, and F7, a space for the new object. Again you click here, make sure you don't overlap the selection. Select here, select here, select here, select here, here, double click, copy, come here, paste, and then again do F6 and then F7. Then come here and then click here, click here, click here, click here, click here, click here. After this we will copy, we will paste, again F6 and then F7. Come to this file. Now take another character. Now walk cycle, how many steps you have to create depends on what kind of gait you're getting it. GAIT, gait I'm talking about, not GATE. Gait means manner of walking. Copy, paste, F6, F7. Then I'll just click here, 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 click here. Okay, and then I'll copy, Control C, Control V, paste. That is universal, we all know that. F6 and then F7. What is F6 and F7? That also you know, so don't have to explain that. F7 is a blank keyframe and F6 is the keyframe. We will just simply move it out here. Copy, paste, F6, F7. We'll move it here. We will click on here, 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 here. copy, paste, F6, no F7 because this is the final pose. Now see, our character is walking. Now ये तो header के साथ move हो रहा है. I want to move it without the header and stuff, so I will simply go to the scene 1, go back here. Okay, where's my walk cycle? In order to get your walk cycle, you have to go to Windows, and then you gotta go for library. The shortcut key for the library is Control L, and then you can drag the walk cycle right over here. And then if you wish to make, I'm sorry, no need of plus tool, I'm just increasing the size here. We will just simply put it here and just make it for 2 seconds. Create classic twin, and then we will move it from this angle to this angle, and then when you move it in here and press enter, see, oh, it's skidding, not moving. But you will be able to see the effect only if you press Control Enter. So you got to see the effect when you press Control Enter. Once you press Control Enter, see, your character is moving, it's walking. See, it's walking on the line. Getting it? So your character is walking. Now you want to move it back on this side, so just create the new layer, hit F6 here, copy from here, Control C, click here, Control Shift to V, paste. We'll do right click, transform, and then we'll see flip horizontal. Okay, and we will move this 1 frame ahead. After that, it will animate for more 2 seconds. Hit F6 here, create classic twin, and just move it on this side, so it will come back. Now hit Control Enter and see the effect. See, that is the wrong drawback. Okay, see, it's coming here, it's going back. This is the wrong keyframe which we did it. Okay, fine. At the starting it's here, at the end it's here. I just clicked here and I moved this object this side, so again on this frame it was here, so it was skipping down back. So make sure that you go to the last frame, and in the last frame you just move it ahead on the side. Now let's test the movie and see. Control Enter, flipping, see, he's in worried, he's in tension, he's just moving here and there. Right, so this is simplest way and very easy way to animate your walk cycle. I hope you understand how to animate the walk cycle. If you have any doubt, feel free to come back to me. I'm sure you can do it. Just try with this or some other character, and in next lecture we'll learn something more about the animation. Till then, happy learning.